Our offices are all, it's on my surfboards, some of my surfboards. Our offices are all dry and intact. Yeah, so far, a lot of inventory in here. I know people have orders for. We will be starting to ship tomorrow morning. There is no shipping. There's nobody picking up today. The barrier islands, they're not. But here is our warehouse. No water on the ground is a great sign. We have to lift everything up off the bottom shelves. So you have to you got to do a lot of prep work. Our warehouse is full all the time because we're constantly rotating inventory out. And if you have stuff on the bottom, it will get wet and destroyed. So sometimes customers will buy a part and we have it in stock, and then we get a bad storm and we go to ship it and the bottom of the box is wet, or there's some kind of rust on the part, and then we got to cancel the order. If the part's no good, we got to cancel the order, and it upsets people. We don't want to do that, but that's just sort of the nature of living in Florida. But it looks good. We even brought our dumpsters in so they don't float away. We redid everything just to keep it, everything's either on pallets or up off the floor. Yeah, this warehouse, I don't have the lights on yet. Wrong switch. In here, we just had no more real space to do it all, but this is a little farther from where the water would come. This is the rest of our warehouse. It's all dark in here because it's closed off. These are our Amazon returns. Oh my goodness. So if customers buy stuff and return it, this is what all of these pallets are. Kind of crazy. This is all of our paperwork. We lost all of our paperwork a bunch of storms ago. I forget which, Hurricane Matthew 2017. You know, you're a business, you got to keep all your files and stuff. And our front building, the windows that I just showed you that were all new, they got smashed in. And we lost tons of inventory. We lost our walls. We lost the front flooring. And we lost all of our paperwork. Here is our shop that is also packed full. You know, we brought everything in here to try and keep it safe and out of the elements. So we have parts. There's our whale. That's a whole different story. But yeah, it is packed full. When we have to get stuff off of the bottom of, you know, we have a lot of stuff. And when you have to shove it all into a dry place in a warehouse, that's our lift that we won't be able to use for a while because we have all this stuff in here. But yeah, this is our Auto Parts Direct to You warehouse. It made it. We're gonna go outside and see what it looks like because it's all flooded out there.